Hello everyone, my name is Anuradha and I actually reside in the United States in the Texas County. I have been to India for my daughter's marriage, but since my parents were undergoing some Ayurvedic treatment in Ramaiah, I wanted to try for a prolonging hip issue that I had. So I was really happy that I went through this program and I met Dr. Krishna and his staff. I was initially diagnosed with osteoarthritis for my hip, and this has been there since 20 years. I have been suffering with pain and has aggravated with my age as well. So I reached out to Dr. Krishna and I explained to him the symptoms that I had, the pain that I was going through. So he did advise for a series of tests to make sure that what exactly the problems were. So I went through the usual tests, which was the MRI, the Doppler test, and we did find out few issues that were that was impacting my hip. The thing that doctor advised me was that we do initial treatment, which was the Panchakarma treatment, and then go deeper into the other treatments for especially for the pains that I had. Not that I have not been treated other than Ayurveda. I did two to three consultations with ortho. I have been advised that I will have a hip replacement later in my life. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to prolong the hip replacement that they were advising. So it's not that from an Ayurveda I am going to be not having a hip replacement or anything, but at least I'm prolonging the impact that I have on my body. So we started off with the Panchakarma treatment. The doctor said, let's do that. You will feel much better, and I'll have the pain will get reduced, the weight will get reduced, because that was one of the other reasons that was impacting my hip. I can tell you that truly it was a transformation. It was, everybody were able to, all my cousins, as I said, I was here for my daughter's wedding. All my cousins said that I look 5 years younger with the treatment. I had the glow, the movement was better in my hip, my left leg, which was painful most of the time. I didn't have any pain. The heaviness was reduced, the stiffness was reduced after the 11-day treatment, and I'm able to literally walk around. I have more energy. I think the detox really helped me internally for the relief that I have had. The staff has been really good. The massages were wonderful. I've never had massages before. So the staff is well trained. They know what to be done. I did have, because I was going through the treatment, one of the days I think I did have a low BP, which I never had the low BP, but the staff was very careful in doing the massages and also the treatment. So they do take care. You always have a doctor available during the treatment as well. So they were very responsive, and the doctor as well, who was following up with me, how I was doing, am I back to normalcy, is there any kind of discomfort that I had. So all these protocols they followed. I will definitely advise, if you want to do, even from a weight loss perspective, I lost about 4 kgs and a couple of inches as well, and as I said, the transformation was phenomenal. So Ayurveda is something that I do believe, because they're all very natural, and that kind of I didn't need a push to be convinced of the treatment that I was having here. It was more from, I was interested in doing it. I think if you're determined to follow something very natural and get through the pain that you're having, this is definitely the place. Ramaiah has a different wing, which is the Ayurveda wing, and Dr. Krishna again, he kind of advises you in such a way that he's fighting with you for the pain that you're having, so which actually gives you even more motivation to do it. They also have, I think I stayed one of the days, the last day of the Panchakarma treatment, you have to stay here. The room was good, the hygiene perspective, everything was good. So I definitely recommend Ramaiah Ayurvedic Hospital. if you're having any of the pains, you should at least try once, and I'm sure you will see the transformation. I'm sure you'll see how the natural ingredients itself will make you better. I also had women hygiene treatment, which was really, I think I was surprised that there's something like that within the Ayurveda. Women usually do not take care of, from a hygiene perspective, we do not take care of our private, issues that we have. I think if you really are facing any those kind of issues, you should visit and see the gynecologists that are there in the Ayurvedic, because the treatment that I went through especially on the women hygiene, I think it was again really a phenomenal one, because I didn't know that there's something like that existing, and now I really feel a clean kind of an environment over there. So I think if you are facing any issues, you should definitely see the gynecologist and go through that treatment. I think the treatment, it depends on each individual, so you should see. The other treatment that I went through is the eye treatment as well. I came in for one of the treatments, but I think it kind of led into multiple treatments that I needed. I'm nearing to 50, so obviously as you grow older, I guess we face more of the issues. So from an eye perspective also, I had my vision, a blurry vision most of the time. So I went through the eye treatment. Again, that was from a eye dryness perspective. The treatment helped me. Now I really don't see or feel the itchiness or the vision, also the blurry vision that I had. So definitely, if you're here, try the eye treatment and the women hygiene treatment as well. Thank you.